Want to learn how to log into your Medium apps account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Medium app on my phone through my Play Store. You can also go into App Store or Play Store and then download it and then tap on it. You're onto the very first section of your Medium app. Since I had already created an account and I'm trying to log in, I'm going to tap on Sign In with the screen text next to already have an account. Now I can choose to get sign in with one of the following sites. Since I had created my account with email address, I'm going to tap on sign in with email, below sign in with Twitter. You can choose off your own. Now I need to keep my email address, and when I'm done, I'm going to tap on continue below. You can do the same. You can see that they have just sent a link to my email address. I need to go there and check it. I'm going to check my inbox. You can also do the same. I'm onto the homepage of my own email address and I do have a notification from Medium on the top. I'm going to tap on it. You can also do the same. You can see that here's an option of sign in to Medium. Tap on sign in to Medium. You have an option of opening it with Medium or the web browser that's available on your phone. I'm going to choose the app. You can choose off your own. So you can see that just by doing it, you have been signed in to your own Medium apps account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.